Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unboxing for you. This comes from Amazon and it is under $10. So before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't, please go check out my Etsy store. It's called justminderbusiness, and I sell cover minders. So go take a look, give it some love. Even if you don't purchase anything, just give it some love and like it. All right, so let me get into this. I hope everybody's having a great day. Leave me a comment and let me know, what are y'all working on? I'm curious to see what everybody is working on. And you know what? I just noticed that this has some writing and stuff on the back. It's just telling you that it's how to diamond paint stuff. We all know how. All right, so, well, we might not all know how. I shouldn't say that. All right, anyway, this is a poured glue, round, full diamond painting, and this is what it says. It says welcome, and we have 3 beautiful butterflies and some flowers. Now, I only gave $4.99 for this. So what do y'all think about this one? Isn't it pretty? All right, so up at the top, it has the thumbnail. It has the number of the canvas and the size, which is a 30 by 40. It has a schematic on the top left, which has 20 colors, and it looks like it is all numbers and letters. It does have the DMC numbers listed, so that is awesome. And then it also has a schematic on the lower right. So let's see what the toolkit looks like. All right. So we get 2 pins. One of the pins has got a multi-placer on it. Looks like it's either a 7 or a 9. We get 2 things of wax. We get a pink squishy and some baggies and a green boat. So that's what comes in this toolkit. All right, and we will look at the colors. The bags of drills has the canvas number listed on it, but no DMC numbers. All right. So I'm just going to run through these and we will look and see what we are getting. So we have some oranges. We have some greens, blues, some greens. Oh, a lot more blues. Those are number 14, which is DMC 776. So there are 4 bags of those. Then we have some greens and some pinks, some purple, yellow, purple, probably black, and then some more pinks. So, very pretty. Y'all, this, it's just very springy. It just screams spring. But I thought what I would do is I would do this one, and then maybe hang it on my back door, because I've got a reef hanging on my front door, but I don't have anything on my back door, and we use our back door. We never use the front door. We always use the back, but I mean, I have a patio and stuff back there on my back door, and our driveway just leads there, so that's the door that we use and everybody else uses. So, all right. So, let's see. Very sticky. And like I said, there's schematic on the top left, bottom right. And let's go down and take a better look at the drill field. Now, all of this could be color blocked. And then you can read the word welcome very well. And I like the way they have it written. It's very pretty. Now, there might be... No, let's see. Ooh. Yeah, we have an S and a 6. So on that yellow, that is going to be a 6. So at first I thought that might be hard to read, but now I can see what it is. But I don't think any of the rest of it is going to be too bad. A lot of confetti, but even with the confetti, it's not like crazy confetti. I mean, there's only 20 colors, which is not too bad. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I think this is really gorgeous. And y'all, for $4.99, not too bad. Not too bad at all. What do y'all think about this one? I just think it screams springtime. I think it's very, very pretty. And I just love these colors. I really do. Love them. I love that green and pink together. That's so pretty. And the purple. Of course, purple is my favorite color. So anything purple, I'm going to be like loving. So, all right, y'all. So what do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments. And let me know what y'all are working on. So, all right, y'all. I guess until my next video, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.